Hey guys, today I want to share this super easy to make pre-shampoo hair mask featuring an Indian superfruit Amla. This mask is stimulating and nourishing, which will help to promote hair growth and strengthen your hair. Amla is packed with nutrients and vitamins like vitamin A, C, and E, so this mask will really help to soften and care for your hair. To make this recipe, you will need some Amla powder, coconut oil, a mason jar, and a mixing spoon. To a clean mason jar, I'm going to add 3 heaping spoonfuls of Amla powder. Next, I'm going to fill the rest of the jar with coconut oil. So it's really important for me to mention that this mixture is going to be best for dark colored hair. Amla has been used to increase the vigor of brown hair and it delays the onset of grayness. Some people even use it as a natural hair dye, although I haven't noticed any change in the color of my hair. But my hair is also super dark, so just be cautious if you have lighter colored hair, it could tint your hair color. So as I'm adding in the coconut oil, you can see that it's solid at room temperature, so you're going to need to melt it down a little bit to get a good mix. So there are a few ways that you can do this. I only recommend that you never use the microwave because the microwave can take away those powerful nutrients. So instead, you can sit your jar in a sunny windowsill for a few moments, or what I found to be super easy is to just grab a hair dryer and hit it with a little heat for a few seconds, and the coconut oil will melt down pretty quickly. Be careful not to overheat this mixture or to leave it in the sun for too long. You don't need it to be melted all the way. As you start to mix this up, any chunks will also begin to melt. Once you've started the melting process, you want to give it a good mix. Make sure you scrape all of the amla from the bottom of the jar. This mixture smells so good, like fresh cookies. I love the way coconut oil smells. Next, you want to let this mixture rest for a week so that a fine maceration can take place. Be sure to give the jar a little shake each day. I have a jar that I already made last week and is ready to be used. It has completely gone back to a solid state, so I'm going to very gently heat it with my hair dryer for a few seconds. Since I'm about to apply the mixture to my hair, I don't want it to be super runny. I want it to be a thicker pudding-like texture. This will make it easier to apply. Then with my hair in sections, I'm going to apply the mixture from the roots down to the ends of my hair, section by section. I'm also going to make sure that I massage my scalp with this mixture to really stimulate growth. This recipe will also help with dryness, itching, and dandruff if your scalp is prone to that. Once my hair is covered in the mixture, I'm going to leave it on for about 20 minutes and then wash it out with shampoo followed by a deep conditioner. You will need to wash it pretty good as some of the bits of amla can be left in your hair, so keep that in mind. If you have any product left over, this powerful mixture keeps for a month in a closed jar. Just be sure to keep it away from direct sunlight. This hair mask felt so good, and I could tell that my hair was strengthened and super moisturized after using it. Let me know if you guys tried this nourishing amla hair recipe. Be sure to subscribe for more natural beauty tips, and as always, thank you for watching.